So let's talk very briefly about the main territory by regions. This is the map of the country is divided in three main regions. It's very, very selected and divided. So we're noted even for Mexicans, as Mexicans, it's just the north, the center of the country, and the south. It's very marked, that kind of division in terms of culture, in terms of people, in terms of what they eat, how they're dressed or wear, even the weather. So we know like people, where are you from? I'm from the north. Oh, you are from the north because you're speaking with that kind of accent, when you talk. Where are you coming from? Oh, you're from the center. Yes, they have a very particular accent in their talk. Same thing on the south. So the culture.